About 2.5 years ago, I had a vertical restore and a fat transfer on the face. The experience was amazing in a lot of different ways, not only the experience of the surgery, but the anesthesia, and I can explain that. But the way I found Dr. Karam was I had a previous surgery about a year before that with a surgeon who was supposed to be really good in Arizona. And this is before I found Dr. Karam. And after about 8 months, after the surgery, my face looked exactly the same as it did before the surgery. I mean, exactly. And all that money was wasted, and I was so disappointed. So I did a lot of research to find out. At that point, I wanted only the best surgeon in the country, and that's how I found Dr. Karam. And I had that surgery done a few years ago, and the results were amazing after the surgery, but this is almost 2.5 years later, and it's the same. I mean, it's amazing that nothing has changed or gone back, or it was so highly successful, and it was a great experience. The actual experience of the surgery was also amazing, and the anesthesiologist was unlike any I have ever had. Normally I get very sick after, and the previous surgery was sick for 2 days. With this anesthesiologist, I woke right up and was talking and felt not nauseous whatsoever. It was just, the whole thing was a great experience. Dr. Karam checked back in with me. I felt very well supported. It was an excellent experience. It was the best I could have hoped for.